Hey YouTube, today we're doing a quick oil change on a 2017 Chevy Bolt. Should be pretty easy, hoping it's a quick video, so let's go. What we're gonna need, you can either do 520 or 020. I'm in SoCal, a little warmer, don't have to worry about it being too cold. You're gonna need a good filter. I like the ACDelco. If you go Fram, get the fancy one. WIX is good, lots of good stuff. So, gloves, good idea. Another person suggested to blow that out. You don't need compressed air, but 15mm socket, napkins, come on now. I ended up needing, this is my first oil change from buying it used from a crappy shady dealer that said they changed the oil. I needed my oil wrench there to grab it, and of course your oil pan. Manual states to change it every 7,500 miles, actually to check the life if needed, so interpretation there, I don't like that, but whatever. We're going to use 4 liters of it. So since I always buy the 5 quarts, just mark off about the 1, and we'll make sure to leave that in there when we fill up. There we go, focus it. All of your 5 quarts will have that, or if you want to buy 4 individual ones, it's usually the same price, so whatever, your call. And we'll get going. There's the viscosity grade there, so you're calling that. Here we go. I put the car up on ramps. Do not plug your car in. When you open the hood, as I did while I was getting it ready, the engine will turn on. Keep it for about half a minute, give or take a bit, just to warm it up a bit, and the oil gets where it needs to be without being too hot. Make sure you don't drive it all around town using your gas engine. By default, as long as you keep it topped off, it really shouldn't engage, but you do want it a little warm. Other things, make sure you e-brake, parking brakes on, check your tires, do whatever you need to do to be super safe. Wear gloves, use protection, yada yada. Do not charge your car during this time because the cooling system will engage and it'll freak you out. Here we go. All right, so again, everything's prepped and ready. Let me grab that. I already have my oil pan, drip pan ready to go. I thought I was gonna have to take all this stuff off as I did when I put the tow hitch on. Not the case, so it's ready to go. Just gonna swivel back here, make sure we're lefty-loosey, and hope that the dealer didn't tighten the heck out of this guy. This should be pretty basic stuff for you. And so, cool, we got its other tightener. I'm gonna use 2 hands. Meet you when we're pouring. Alright, let's get that all the way out of there. Go, go, go. Make sure that nut, or the bolt rather, doesn't get in the drain hole. I got this car used. Definitely did not believe the dealership that they had just changed the oil. This is disgusting and it's black. It doesn't look unhealthy, but it definitely looks used. We're going to put some fresh full synthetic in here. So again, we'll wait till that dribbles. Plug it up. I'll move our pan a scooch down towards the oil filter and remove that. Hey, all right, so I'm going to wipe off the last little bit of oil on there while I'm down here. Kind of clean it up / spread it around. Put this out for a second. Yeah, it smells gnarly. So finger tighten plus about a quarter turn on there. You'll kind of know if you've ever changed your oil before. If not, what are you doing with this fancy high-tech car? Let's see if I can unscrew this with my hand. I'm hoping I can. It is kind of stuck in here at a weird angle. Ooh. Let's try. Tell I haven't been working out since my wedding. Alright, well, so much for that. Plus I got all you guys watching, so. Alright, so I got all my different collections of oil filter wrenches. This is a neat one. That's too big probably. Like I said, it's in a weird area, so grab it from. Oh, there it goes. Cool. You just tighten the heck out of these things, and I'll show you how to avoid this the next time. You or I or YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna unscrew it quick while it drips on me. Oh God, I love these gloves. They're so nice. Thanks, Dad. All right, let that pour. This oil drip pan has a little holder for it, so it doesn't just suction cup right to the bottom. Make sure you make use of that. If so, I'm going to waste yet another glove. Put this to the side while that drips and drains. Get my new ACDelco PF64. Get a little bit of oil on that gasket so it doesn't fry on there like before. I doubt you can see that, but there's a little shine. There you go, you can see it. You don't have to be too crazy. And then there's just a little drip. Make sure the threads are on there straight as you turn it back on. High performance blue. Alright. I guess Chevy blue, huh? Haven't had a Chevy in a long time, not since Suburban. Never had major issues with them, so glad that Detroit nerds figured this awesome plug-in series hybrid drivetrain. It's amazing. I really do love this car. I've only filled up, had it for a few months now. Filled up the big 7-gallon, I guess it's 8-gallon gas tank, but I've never got it under 7 gallons twice. So averaging over 200 miles per gallon, which doesn't really seem logical, but whatever. I usually just hand tighten this really hard. Make sure your hands aren't slick. There's no need to use that to put it on. Everything's dry, everything's good. And again, I love that there's no aerodynamic components to remove. So just to show you that, it's on there. That's on there, no drips. And my hands are clean. Oil time, I use a funnel. You don't have to. I would highly suggest it. Remember, if you're using your 5-quart, that we only need 4 quarts. All right. Save that. Either top it off or save it for the next one. Let that drip a little bit, or don't. I don't care. Don't forget to check everything onto your hood. Make sure everything's removed out of there. Make sure everything's outside, out from underneath your car. Your cap's back on correctly. And then, oh, we got to reset that light as well, or reset the computer thing. Hey, we're inside the car. Keep the engine up, or the hood up. I'm gonna start the car. You'll hear it turn on, the gas engine turn on, of course. There's my AC, sorry about that. And then I'm gonna reverse off the ramp, so I gotta use that electric parking brake and head off there. I would suggest keeping the hood up while we do this. That way the gas engine engages, splashes oil, the new fresh oil around everywhere. I'm gonna let that run for a minute. In the meantime, let's go ahead and just reset this oil life system. So I would assume it's on here, but of course not. What we're doing is we're playing with that guy using these guys. So I'm gonna hit down until I see my oil life. You can see very clearly it says hold select to reset right there, and that's what we shall do. Abracadabra. Ta-da! It beeped, I let go, and there it's been reset. Thank you guys all for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if I messed up anything, any suggestions, etc. Maybe your favorite oil filter. why to use 520 over 020 if you are in SoCal. Hope 2020 treated you well and you guys are still alive, because I need more subscribers. For selfish reasons, stay healthy, have a great day, and enjoy your Volt and 300 pounds of instant torque. Thanks for watching. Bye.